ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरं। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्. Before we enter into niyamas, I want to explain few points which came yesterday. There was a question, what is the difference between lot and vidhiling? And I mentioned that there is no difference, both are injunction only. Vidhi, Ajna Vachaka. For that, there is a sutra giving more information. This is a sutra 33162. When in which cases we have to use the lot lakara? Vidhi, nimantranam, amantranam, adhishtam, samprashnaha, prarthana. एतेषु अर्थेषु धातोः परः आद्युदात्तः लोट प्रत्ययः भवति. In all these meanings, we can use lot lakara. Vidhi, one, nimantranam is second one, amantranam is third one, adhishtam is fourth, samprashnaha fifth, prarthana sixth. In 6 meanings, we can use lot lakara. So what is vidhi, what is nimantrana, amantrana? That also it is given very clearly. Vidhi means ajna or prerana. If we want to motivate someone, that is prerana means motivation. Ajna means injunction. If we want to motivate someone or if we want to command someone, we can use lot lakara. This vidhi part is clear?
Yes.
Next, nimantranam. Nimantranam means the injunction where I don't have choice to say no. If somebody, here it is given the example, like somebody is asking us to have Shraddha Bhiksha. Then we should not say no. Means some people, when they invite for Shraddha Bhiksha, they should not say no. So where they don't have choice to say no, that is called nimantranam. It's given Shraddha, but even like when teacher says do this, student doesn't have choice to say no, I don't want to do. Should we say like that?
Of course.
So that is nimantranam. Shraddha, we never get that kind of usage. So this example we can take. Guru's injunction is nimantranam. Amantranam. Amantranam means where I have choice to say no. I have both. If I want to do, I can do. If I don't want to do, I can say no. If someone comes and says, do this karma, do this whole yajna, homa, this kind of homa, it will give you some different kind of phalam, you should do this. If they say, I have choice, I can, if I wish to do it, I can do it. If I don't want to do it, I don't. That choice I will have in that. That kind of injunction is called amantranam. Is this point clear?
Yes.
Or another example we can take, too many classes are going on. So if we don't have capable to catch up all the classes, then Swamiji may say, okay, you can attend. Then it is our choice. If we are able to grasp, then we will attend. If we if we are not able to grasp, then we can skip the class. That example, that is nimantranam. So that kind of order is called nimantranam. Sorry, amantranam. Adhishtam. Adhishtam means satkara purvakam. Here it is given, dhanam adi datva vyaparaha. Mama putram adhyapayatu bhavan. So give knowledge to my, teach to my son. And giving the money. It's given vyaparaha. Satkara purvaka vyaparaha means we are requesting. We are not commanding them. We are requesting to teach our children, and we will give something. In that case, it is adhishtam. In all these cases, lot lakara comes. Next is samprashnaha.
Punaki, can you please explain adhishtam one more time?
Adhishtam. Okay.
Ji.
I am going to one teacher and I am requesting the teacher. I have a children. So please teach these, please to these children, and I will give some money. This kind of request. So when I request, that kind of request is called, request comes under lot lakara. Here adhyapayatu. Adhyapayatu is used in lot lakara. Mama putram, for my son. Putram is dvitiya vibhakti, to my son. Adhyapayatu, teach. But he is not commanding to say to you should teach. He is not saying, requesting. Please teach. Like that. Please give your pen. When we ask please, then we should use lot lakara.
No.
Not only in that case, whenever we request someone for anything, we can use lot lakara. Is this point clear?
It is clear, Punaki. So when we read a sentence of lot lakara, then based on the context, we should understand, right? That whether this is an order or a request, correct?
Yes.
Because
based on the context, we can understand. Next one, samprashnaha. Samprashnaha, it's a question. And this question is also kartavya, akartavya vishayaka prashna. Means, should I do or not? Kim saha vyakaranam pathatu. Which vyakaranam he is studying? Or what vyakaranam he is studying? Not studying, he should study. What vyakaranam he should study? Like that. If we are asking such questions. Or which text I should study? Which text I should attend? Which question I should answer?
Where is Pata in Haste?
Not haste. Tantau. Prathana iti ukte yachana. Prathana is yachana. Yachana means desiring. When we do prayer to Bhagwan, we desire something. Na? In that case also, Bhavan me annam dadatu. Please give me food. Like that. Prathana. All these points are clear?
Yes.
Everyone? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, Purnaji.
Next point is here you see iti anena ling lakarasya prayogaha api eteshu sarveshu artheshu eva kriyate. Ling lakara means
Vidilingam.
yes,
Vidhiling.
vidhiling. Vidhiling lakarasya prayogaha api eteshu sarveshu artheshu eva kriyate. Means what?
We can also do Vidhi link for Prayoga for these Vakya.
Yes, these eva is also given, you see. Eva. These meanings alone will be used for vidhiling. Now, you can tell me, is there any difference between lot lakara and vidhiling? Is there any difference?
No.
What happened to all?
No.
अतः एतेषु अर्थेषु लोट् लकारः तथा विधिलिङ् लकारः समानार्थिनौ स्तः. अतः means
Therefore,
eteshu artheshu. Here we can do yatha adhyahara. Tatha is there na? Yatha we can do adhyahara. Yatha eteshu artheshu lot lakaraha tatha vidhiling lakaraha samanarthino sthaha. What is the meaning of this vakya?
Vidhiling Lakara and Lot Lakara have Samana Artha.
What all these meanings are there in using for lot lakara. Same way we should use for vidhiling lakara also same meanings. Samanarthino staha. Both are having same meanings. There is no difference. Vidhiling is for requesting, vidhiling is politing, and lot is not politing. That kind of difference is not given in this Ashtadhyay. Is this clear?
Yes.
Yeah, if anybody wants in English, they have given in English also. You can look at it later. Then next sutra I wanted to explain.
Sorry, like voice got broken actually with my internet problem. The actual difference between Nijiling and Lotling exactly, there's no difference, no? Means then how to...
They are saying there is no difference. Ataha eteshu artheshu lot lakarah tatha vidhiling lakarah samanarthinos statha. What is the question now?
Why then two? There is no difference means why then two these things are there?
In shloka, there are letters are niyata akshara pada. Means if it is Shardula Vikridita, 19 letters should be there in one line, one pada. There are 4 padas in a shloka. In one pada, if it is Shardula Vikridita, 19 letters should be there. There, all these things will help. Because lot lakara forms are different, vidhiling lakara forms are different. Lot lakara, if it gets 3 letters or 4 letters, vidhiling may get 2 letters. If they have more letters in, if they need more letters, they may use lot lakara. If they need less letters, a few letters, then they may use vidhiling lakara. Is this clear?
Thank you.
Is this point clear?
Yes,
Then Chaturthi Sampradane 2-3-13. This we are going to see the niyama, not this one. 1-400. There was a question you all were asking, what is Atmanepada? When to use this Atmanepada? Tangana Vatmane Padam. This is the sutra. What is Atmanepada? This sutra is explaining. Before going to this sutra, look at this sutra. There is a general explanation. What is Atmanepadam and what is Parasmai Padam? Parasmai is which vibhakti?
Chaturthi.
Chaturthi. Atmane is which vibhakti?
Saptami.
Atmane is also Chaturthi vibhakti. Atmani is the Saptami. Atmane is Chaturthi. So when the intention of Kriya Pada is for Karta, then it will be in Atmane Pada. I'll show the examples. If the intention is for others, Atmane Pada means if the intention is for one's own self, then it will be in Atmane Pada. If the intention is for others, Kriya is for intention is for others, then it will be in Parasmai Padam. These 2 points are clear in this.
Yes.
So examples are Balakaya Dugdham Rochate. Rochate is the Atmane Pade Dhatu. Some dhatus are only Parasmai Pade Dhatus. We cannot use that for Atmane Pade. Some dhatus are only Atmanepade. We should not use for Parasmaipade, those dhatus. Some here we don't have any issue. So whenever we have to use that, we should use that in Atmanepade only. Whenever we have to use this Parasmaipade dhatus, we can use only in that case only. So in that there is no doubt, and we don't have to think whether we should use Atmanepadi, we should use Parasmaipadi in that. Because Rochate Ruch Dhatu, is it Ruch? Ruch Dhatu is only Atmanepadi. Ruchati kind of Padam is not there. Kriya Pada is not there. Rochate is the Rochate, Rochate. Like that it goes. So that is only Atmanepada. Parasmapada is not there. Then we don't have doubt whether we should use Parasmaipade or Atmanepade. But some dhatus are Atmanepade dhatu and Parasmaipade dhatu. Ubhayapade. They say Ubhayapade dhatu. There we have doubt which one we should use, whether Atmanepade or Parasmaipade. The explanation is given. This which I have explained. If the Kriyapada's intention is for one's own sake, then it should be used for Atmanepade. Kriyapada's intention is for others, then it should be used for Parasmaipade. Saha bhojanam pachati. When he is cooking food, then he is not cooking for his sake. He is cooking for others also. In that case, we should use Parasmaipadi. Is this point clear?
Clear.
Yes.
What this sutra says is, actually this explanation in Ashtadhyayi, I was searching for this explanation because I heard this explanation, but I wanted to get it from like means pramana. So I was looking for that explanation in Ashtadhyayi. I could not find it. But if I find, then if later when I come across to that point, then I will let you know. But Atmanepada Sanya Sutra, this is Tangana Atmanepada. Lakarasya sthane vihitaha tang tatha ana iti adeshaha Atmanepada Sanyakaha bhavanti. Atmanepada Sanya, Sanya means name. Why Atmanepade name is given in the place of Lakara, Tang Tata Ana gets Adesha. That's why it is given Atmanepada. What are the Tang? These are the Tang pratyas. Ta, Atam, Jha, Thas, Atham, Dham, It, Vahi, Mahing, Shanach, Kanach. These all are Tang pratyas. Then Ana. When these pratyas are replaced in the place of Lakara, when we say Lakara, Lakara means lat, lot, in that place, then it is called Atmanepada. But I don't think this meaning will help us present. Right? Because we don't know Ting Pratyas itself. And we don't know this Tang Pratyas. Ting also, Ting itself, we don't know what about Tang. So when we study Tinganta Prakriya in Laghu, we can understand these points. Chaturthi Sampradane. Next sutra. Here you see Chaturthi Sampradane is the sutra. In this, all these blue color are Vartikas. Tadarthye Chaturthi Vaktavya. This is given in only Mahabhashya. That Vartika is also not given in any commentary. Chaturthi vidhane tadarthya upasankhyanam. Tadarthya means what? That is given in Mahabhashya. Tad arthasya bhavaha tadarthyam. Tad artha. If we take tat means moksha. Moksharthasya bhavaha. Moksharthasya bhavaha mokshaya. Like that it comes. Means that it will come in Chaturthi. So when we say mokshaya, for the sake of moksha, that kind of meaning comes in Chaturthi.
Punaji, can we not say mokshartham instead of mokshartha?
Yeah, mokshartham. Makara comes. Did I say mokshartha?
No. Moksharthaya, right?
Not moksharthaya.
Mokshaya.
Mokshaya.
1 minute. Tad arthasya bhavaha. What example given here? Tad arthasya bhavaha. They have given Upaya Daru. Tadarthya means Upaya. Yupa arthasya iti bhavaha. Upaya. So this Yupa is Yupa, you know, right? Sacrificial post. This came in Naishkarmya Siddhi. This example is given in there to compare the two examples and all.
Even in Artha Sangraha it came.
Artha Sangraha, that is the whole thing in Artha Sangraha. Upaya Daru. So simple meaning we can remember is for the sake, whenever for comes, Chaturthi will come. For Yupa, this Daru is for Yupa. Like that. Kundalaya Hiranmayam. This gold is for to make kundala. Whenever fur comes, it will be in Chaturthi. That Karaka will be in Chaturthi. Okay. Now let us go to our Ruchi Arthanam Priyamanaha. We saw this niyama, right?
Yes, Punaji.
This 39th niyama, you were not able to hear, right?
done too, but
Okay, I'll explain again. Krudha druhesh druha irsha asuyarthanam yam prati kopa. This is the sutra I have written here, 1437. I'll make the earlier chapter sutras also here so that it will be good to look at the niyamas. Even later it will help. Whatever niyama sutras are there, I'll make here. And you can use all these sutras for Brihadaranyaka class. Krudha druha isha asuyarthanam yam prati kopaha. I am getting anger on Devadatta. Or towards Devadatta. I am getting anger towards Devadatta. That Devadatta should be in Chaturthi Vibhakti. Yam prati kopaha. Towards whom we are getting angry, that person should be in Chaturthi Vibhakti. Krudha, Druha, all these shabdas. Krudha, Druha, Irsha, Tatha, Asuya. Whenever all these dhatus comes, then that person will be in Chaturthi Vibhakti. Is this point clear?
Yes.
Asuya means, yesterday I was not able to say what is the exact meaning. Guneshu dosha avishkaranam. I think Sirisha ji has mentioned this definition. In people qualities, we are finding the doshas. In this person, this quality is not good. In this person, this quality is not good. That is the asuya. This is the old sutra, Heto, not present sutra.
అమ్మ కుర్దు ధృవ అది కొంచెం తెలుగులో చెప్తారా
Krud.
తెలుగులో ఒకసారి
ఎవరి ఎందైతే మన కోపం వస్తుందో వాళ్ళు చతుర్థి విభక్తిలో ఉండాలి. కోపం కానీ, ద్వేషం కానీ, ఈర్ష్య కానీ, అసూయ కానీ. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, నాకు దేవదత్త యందు కోపంగా ఉంది. దేవదత్త ఏ విభక్తిలో ఉండాలి? చతుర్థిలో. అదే సూత్రం ఇది. అసూయ మీన్స్ గుణేషు దోష ఆవిష్కరణం. ఈ వ్యక్తిలో ఈ చెడు లక్షణాలు ఉన్నాయి, ఈ వ్యక్తిలో ఈ చెడు లక్షణాలు ఉన్నాయి, ఈ వ్యక్తిలో ఈ చెడు లక్షణాలు ఉన్నాయి. అది అసూయ. క్లియర్? అప్ టు దిస్ ఎవ్రీవన్ ఇస్ క్లియర్?
Yes,
నెక్స్ట్, కథ నివేదయ ఉపదిష్ ధారయ స్పృహ కల్పతే సంపద్యతే తథా హితం సుఖం. Along with these shabdas, Chaturthi Vibhakti will come. See here, even in earlier chapters, they have given along with these shabdas Chaturthi Vibhakti will come. Along with these shabdas Chaturthi Vibhakti will come. But what should be in Chaturthi Vibhakti? Do you get that question? Like kath is there. Kathayati. I said kathayati. Along with this kathayati shabda, kathayati pada, Chaturthi Vibhakti should come. But which one should be in Chaturthi?
Beneficiary. Beneficiary. To whom you are going.
Okay. That is Karaka. So Chaturthi itself is beneficiary. but we can use the word karaka. When we say karaka, karta, karma, karana, sampradana, apadana, adhikarana. All these 6 are called what?
Karaka.
Karaka.
Karaka. So Chaturthi Vibhakti will come in Karaka. So that we should understand beneficiary. Shishyaya kathayati. For Shishya is telling. Ramaha Devadattaya Shatam Dharayati. Rama is giving 100 rupees for Devadatta. Giving or Dharayati. Dhruv means hold on. Keeping 100 rupees for Devadatta. Vidya Jnanaya Kalpate Sampadyate. Vidya is for the sake of knowledge. Okay, next niyama, Tadarthya Chaturthi Vachya. We saw this. Who is getting benefit? That person will be in Chaturthi. Niyama 42, Chaturthi ke arth mein artham aur krute. Okay, whenever Chaturthi artham shabda comes, then Chaturthi, that karaka will be in Chaturthi. Whenever krute shabda comes, Karaka will be in Shashti Vibhakti. That Karaka will be in Shashti Vibhakti. So I am using this word Karaka because along with, I feel like that sentence, in that sentence something is missing. So when we use Karaka, then the sentence is making sense. These 2 shabdas are Avyaya. Artham Krute. For the sake of. Bhojanartham, for the sake of food. Bhojanasya krute, for the sake of food. Both meanings are same. But krute shabda, when it comes, bhojana will be in Shashti. Artham shabda, when it comes, bhojanam shabda will be in Chaturthi. Is this point clear?
Yes.
Echoya Vaiva Sandhi. Everybody is familiar with Echoya Vaiva?
Once again tell me. Bhojanartham second case.
Bhojanartham. This artham. Artham shabda ఎప్పుడైతే వస్తుందో భోజనం అనేటటువంటిది భోజనార్థం అన్నప్పుడు భోజనం కోసం. దో ఇట్ ఈస్ అర్థం is not declining. It is just avyay shabda. So they are just saying bhojanartham. When we use this bhojanartham shabda, meaning is in Chaturthi Vibhakti. Bhojanam kosam. For the sake of bhojanam. But when we use krute, then bhojana shabda should be in Chaturthi. Is this clear?
భోజనస్య కృతే అన్నా కూడా భోజనం కోసం.
Krite, I thought Shashti, na Purnaji?
Yes. Krute shabda, whenever it comes, this bhoja karaka will be in Shashti. That is given here. Krute ke saath Shashti hoti hai. Means whenever krute shabda comes, karaka will be in Shashti. Here it is given. Chaturthi के अर्थ में अर्थम और कृते अव्ययों का प्रयोग होता है. अर्थ मीन्स प्रयोजनम. or for the sake. Artham will be used in Chaturthi. Bhojanartham. Is clear?
భోజనస్య కృతే అన్న భోజనార్థం అన్న భోజనం కోసం సేమ్ మీనింగ్.
Same meaning. Meaning same.
ఓకే.
HOY Sandhi is clear to everyone, right?
ఎస్.
Yes.
Okay, shall we move? Abhyasa 11. Balakaya modakam rochate.
పాలకుడు లడ్డూని ఇష్టపడుతున్నాడు.
Yes. In English?
Balakaha likes modakam.
Balakaha, you can use a child.
Okay. Yeah, a child likes modakam. A sweet.
Modaka is, in English it is says laddu or sweet only.
Sweet, I think, in English.
Okay. Next, Nrupaha durjanebhyaha krudhyati kupyati druhyati irshyati asuyati.
Oh, Mama. Like the Balakaya, sorry, I'm going back. Balakaya, why Chaturthi they are given?
This niyama. Ruchyarthanam priyamanaha. Ruch artha, when it comes, ruch means to desire, to like. These kind of meanings when it comes, then the karaka will be in Chaturthi.
Okay, thank you. Then
Here rochate has come. This rochate is ruchi artha. Therefore, this balaka will be in Chaturthi vibhakti. Balakaya modakam rochate. Modakam anuswara should be there. One minute. I will check this sutra also. What is that? Ruchyarthanam priyamanaha. I think I have written. I have written this also. Ruchyarthanam priyamanaha. Ruchi arthaka dhatunam prayoge yasmai rochate tat karakam sampradana sanyam bhavati. Tat karakam. Actually, this karaka word we should use, then only sentence makes sense that I got that idea from here only. Tat karakam sampradana sanyam bhavati. Really, I never looked at all these sutras. To explain, to get more clarity, I am looking at all these sutras and I am happy to look at all these and understanding also. Where we are? Nrupaha durjanebhyaha krudhyati kupyati druhyati irshyati asuyati.
We can use one, right, Purnaji? We can use one of those.
We can use one or we can use all. Like one person having anger, jealousy, greed, everything, na? Like that.
But this means that king is angry towards bad people, right?
Also, king is having anger, jealous, asuya is that, what did you say in English?
It's king is angry towards bad people. But how can he have asuya and
It is just to make the sentence. We cannot use those sentences. You will see later also. See this fifth sentence. You see, Vidya arthaya kalpate sampadyate bhavati. This vakya says Vidya is for the sake of money. Is this vakya true?
No.
No.
Not at all. So they wanted to make some sentences for practice only. So if they could have given some other sentences, so they feel like it is already too many sentences are coming. We can give in one sentence all the shabdas. Like that. There is no rule that every vakya should be true when we truth that when we use in Vyavahara. But there are only few vakyas are not true, but almost all vakyas are true. Very rare. Okay. Next, Guruhu Shishyaya Kathayati Nivedayati Upadishati.
గురువు శిష్యుడి కోసం కథ చెప్తున్నాడు, ఉపదేశిస్తున్నాడు.
Let others. In English?
Advice to Sishya?
Yes. We can say just telling. And we can use advice also. Guru is telling to Shishya. Harihi pushpebhyaha spruhayati.
హరి పుష్పాలను స్పర్శిస్తున్నాడు.
Spruhayati. What is the meaning? Spruha dhatu.
To desire.
సమర్పిస్తుంది.
పుష్పాలను కోరుకుంటున్నాడు.
Yes. Hari is desiring the flowers. Vidya arthaya kalpate Vidya arthaya na kalpate na sampadyate bhavati. Or we can say Vidya arthaya kalpate sampadyate na bhavati. Na should come before the dhatu. Kriyapada. Na is there, we can use na there.
Vidya,
What is the meaning?
Vidya is not to gain wealth.
Vidya is not for the sake of wealth.
Wealth.
If we use gain, then labh dhatu will come.
Love that will come, correct.
Brahmanaya hitam sukham va bhavet. Shivananji?
For
Brahmanaya.
For the sake of for the well-wish of the Brahmana, and for the well-wish and the happiness of Brahmana.
Oh, I could not hear you. What you are saying?
Brahmanaya. It means for the well-wish and happiness.
Yes.
For the well-wish and happiness of Brahmana.
Hmm.
He came.
Okay. This hitam and sukham. When these shabdas comes, dhatu will, the karaka will be in Chaturthi. Brahmana should get sukham. Also, he should be good. So this bhavet is lot lakara, right?
Yes.
Bhavet is lot or vidhiling?
Yes.
Vidhiling. Vidhiling. Bhavet, bhavetam, bhaveyuhu. Vidhiling. So vidhiling, we can use that meaning. Brahmana should get sukham and he should be good. This is which kind of meaning? Vidhi, nimantrana, amantrana, adhishta. What are the other meanings?
Adishtam.
Adhishtam, samprashnaha, prarthana. Which kind of meaning is this? Vidhi, nimantrana, amantrana, adhishtam, samprashna, prarthana.
Nimantrana.
Vidhi.
What is vidhi? What is nimantrana?
Nimantrana is తప్పనిసరిగా చేయాలి.
No choice of invitation.
Nimantrana is no choice. When we are saying that Brahmana should get sukham, in that, is there any that kind of meaning? Nimantrana, amantrana kind of meaning is there?
No.
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 No. Vidhi, he should do. That kind of meaning is there?
No.
No.
He
This
should
is
get.
prarthana. See,
Oh,
we are invoking Bhagwan. Brahmana should get sukham. Even if we are praying for someone, that will be in vidhiling or lot lakara. Hitam, sukham, all these are prarthana. Right?
Yes,
Is this point clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Shishuhu dugdhaya krandati.
శిశువు పాలు కోసం రోధిస్తున్నా.
In English, Shirisha ji?
A child is crying for milk.
Tat pustakam patha.
You read the book?
Read that book.
Read that book, not he. When Saha comes, then he comes. Read that book. Etat rajyam raksha.
రాజ్యంను రక్షించు.
Both are which kind of meaning? Read this book. Read this book is which kind of meaning in lot lakara?
Agya.
Yes. Agna.
Ajna means first one, vidhi. Etat rajyam raksha.
This one also Agnya.
It can be Ajna or Nimantrana, Amantrana can be there. But who is saying protect this kingdom? Based on that person, we can take the meaning whether it is Nimantrana, Amantrana, Vidhi or like that. Okay. Kim karyam karoshi?
What work will you do?
Hmm.
What work will you do?
What work will you do? Or what will you do? Yes, what work will you do? It's lat lakara. Sarvani pustakani shishyabhyah santi.
All books are with the Sishya.
Shishyabhyah is which vibhakti?
Chaturthi.
Chaturthi.
Chaturthi Bahuvachan.
What should be the meaning?
శిష్యుల కోసం
అన్ని పుస్తకాలు శిష్యుల దగ్గర ఉన్నాయి.
No. All books are
Books exist for the sake of Sishya.
All books are, when we use R, that Santi will be included in that R. All books are for Shishyas, for students.
All books are there for students.
All books are there for students. That is also. Anyat pustakam patha.
Read other books.
మిగిలిన పుస్తకాలు చదవాలి. మిగిలిన పుస్తకాలు చదవాలి. చదువు.
అర్థం కాలేదు.
ఇతర పుస్తకాలు కూడా చదువు.
Anyat, other book, only one book. కంప్లీట్ గా చెప్పు, క్లియర్ గా చెప్పు.
ఇతర పుస్తకం కూడా, ఇంకో పుస్తకం కూడా చదవాలి అనము.
Yes, read the other book. Next, dvavatra agachatah. What is the sandhi? Dvavatra.
Vau atra.
Echo yava yava.
Echo yavayamah. Dvau atra agachatah. What is the meaning?
You two come here.
Yeah, you both come here. Agachatah. Agachatah, coming. Both are coming here. Right? Come here. Vidhiling or lot we have to use. Agachatah is present tense only. Right? Lat. Balakau adya kridatah. I have habit to split and read. I should not split that and I should ask that. Okay, last sentence. Balakau adya kridatah.
వన్ డౌట్ ఆగచ్చతః అనేది గమ్ ధాతు కాదు
గమ్ ధాతు ఆగచ్చతి ఆగచ్చతః కమింగ్ both are coming here, right? बालकौ अद्य क्रीडतः
బాలకులిద్దరు
ఈ రోజు
ఈ రోజు ఆడతారు.
క్రీడతః ఆడతారు లేదా ఆడుతున్నారు. both children are playing today. Is this clear? ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांतिः. हरिः ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरिः ओम.